Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix too many attempts error on Prizepicks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to let you know the steps and the ways, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So if you're seeing a too many attempts error on Prizepicks, you may have reached your deposit limit, and that could be one of the reason. And if the limit has been reached, that means you should wait 24 hours before trying to deposit again, otherwise it will keep on showing you that. And the other thing that can cause is your account name. The name on your deposit method must match the name on your account. If it does not, then that could cause the problem. Next step is check your payment method. Prizepicks will not accept deposits if the card is already associated with another account, and if that's the case, you will know your problem. And if that's the case, that is the issue you have to fix. Next up is your location. Make sure that you make sure to know that you cannot create an account or access a Prizepicks platform if you live in an area where Prizepicks doesn't operate. If you're trying from that area, it will simply not work for you and you cannot access. Next up is your device settings. Make sure your device location service are turned on. You can also try disabling any proxies, VPN services, or bandwidth sharing apps. If any of this is turned on, that can cause the problem for you. Next up is check your ID. If you're having trouble verifying your ID, it could be because the picture is blurry, the lighting is improper, or the ID is invalid. If those are the thing, then that could cause the verification that could cause the issue on verification, and that's why you will have too many attempts error appearing. Make sure to check on that and solve it, and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.